Hey guys, how's it going? Just wanted to share with you my still. It's a stripping still. It's not for getting the finished product of alcohol, but it's an efficient way of stripping off the alcohol to do that first distill. Normally with a still you'd have to heat the whole thing up, all the liquid, all in one go, evaporate off your bit of alcohol, and then all of the rest of that heat just gets wasted. Where this one, it's a small still. It's a cycling still, so it recycles the heat from the steam, the alcohol boiling off, and it reuses that heat to preheat the wash coming in. Let's show you how it works. Okay, so the heart of the still is really this heat exchanger here. It's got three skins, an outer skin, a middle skin that the wash goes through, and then a middle chamber that the alcohol steam goes through. So our wash water comes down through this dosing pump, so we can adjust the speed up or down. It pumps it into the center jacket that runs up, gathers heat from the outside jacket and the inside water jacket. As you see, it's so hot we're already evaporating some alcohol off, so basically half the distilling is happening here in the heat exchanger. It comes up here to a water jacket, which is on the neck of our pot still, which just tops it up if it needs it. And then as you see here, got lots of vapor bubbles. All that alcohol is actually already steamed off and then goes into the center of the neck. From there our alcohol will vaporize up and the water, wastewater, will drop down to the bottom of the still. Let's follow the alcohol though. So it'll come up like a normal pot still, up, out the line arm, down and into the center of a heat exchanger. So it's kept coming in here at about 86 degrees, thereabouts. It's then hitting this colder wash water and transferring its heat onto there, going through the center of the heat exchanger, out the spout at the end, and then down into our catchment demijohn jar. See, it's dripping away there quite nicely. It's quite a nice speed considering we're running a small still on a small flame. It's coming through quite nicely. So the other part was the water. As the water drips down, it comes down to the bottom of the still, creates steam which can then evaporate more alcohol, do its thing, and then when this fills up it overflows down into the outside jacket, and that gives its heat off into the wash water that's going up through the middle of it. From there, just runs out. Needs to give it a bit of an airlock, so bringing it back up to the same height as what's coming out the still. So this will set our water level inside the still. So when it gets to this height, the water will flow down through and around and then out down the drain. Not too much heat's wasted. This comes out a wee bit hot, but we're not running any cooling water through this. We're just using our wash water from the bucket to cool the alcohol vapor. So nice and efficient, nice, easy, efficient way of reusing our heat, running a small still. The beauty of this is it heats up quickly. Normally with a large pot still it takes a long time, especially on gas. It could take hour and a half, couple of hours to heat it up, but this is up and running in just a few minutes because there's not much water that you have to heat up to get things started. And it's just a matter of set the gas onto full in this case, and then setting the speed of our pump. What we're looking for is a bit of alcohol vapor coming off here, just a wee bit, then we know we're not running too fast. If there's no bubbles, then we'll just slow the pump down a bit, and then we want a good amount of bubbles coming off that water jacket there, as that's just pinching a bit of heat from that column. Cool, so if you like that, things like that, we liked being creative and doing things on our little quarter acre. This is all legal here too in New Zealand as well. We're allowed to do this, don't need a license. So if you like it, give us a like and follow us on YouTube. All right, have a great night.